Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the problem Save People. Okay, so let's read the problem statement. We have a problem that Save has a 2D grid with n rows and m columns. The cells at the intersection of ith row and jth column is denoted by cell I, j. Initially, only cell x, y of the grid is infected. So Save can select any one non-infected cell and vaccinate it. Then the infection and the vaccine spread across the grid as follows. How it will? Like first, any cell that is neither vaccinated nor infected, but is adjacent horizontally or vertically to the infected cell. Then the cell becomes infected itself, or any cell that is neither vaccinated nor infected, but it is adjacent to a vaccinated cell. Then then it becomes a vaccinated to itself. Okay. So this process repeat till every cell in the grid is either vaccinated or infected. That is the case. So we need to find the maximum possible number of vaccinated cells that SAF can obtain if he chooses the initial position of the vaccine optimally. Okay. So let's see the example. So in the first case, we have 3 cross 3 matrix. So we will draw that. So it's 1. This is 3 cross 3. So in this case, we have this 1 comma 2 infected. This is infected cell. So it can spread in this direction. You can choose different color here. So it can spread in this direction. Okay. So in this direction or this direction or this direction. Yeah, because above side we don't have any cell, that's why it can't spread. So that is the case. But we need to restrict the this movement. So let's suppose if we place this cell, the vaccinated cell here at this location, this so like this will vaccinate will happen. The infected cell will be like this one, and then this one till the vaccinated comes like at this point or this point. This is the point, and it will spread it here or here. So then the vaccinated cell spread here and here. So total will be four, four infected cells and six vaccinated cells. Not six, sorry, five vaccinated cells. So we have less answer. So this is not the optimum position for doing this, right? So what is the optimum position for doing this? Let's see. Again, we have need to do the drawing. We have this. So this is the okay. So the infected cell at this position I, and we have this. Uh, we can place this vaccinated cell at this position. Why at this position? Because it will limit this infected cell to this position only, this cell or above of it, not below it, because it will not come here at this cell and this vaccinated cell will spread at this point. So all the bottoms will be vaccinated and all the above one this will be infected one. Right? Hope you understand this. So there is a catch. What is that catch? Like suppose, um, let's see some good thing. So suppose we have this 3 cross 3, not 3 cross 3, maybe it's some better 4. So we have this, this, and this. Okay. So 4 cross 4. Or we may include one more. Yeah. Suppose the infected cell is at this position. So we have choices. Choices like what? Let it be here. We can include one more row for better understanding. Yeah. So suppose we have this position. So let's suppose if we place designated cell below this position, so it will like these will be the vaccinated and above this will be the infected ones. So above will be the infected one. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 for just 16 will be infected and vaccinated will be only 8. So that is not the ideal case. So we need to do what? We need to vaccinate this cell. If we vaccinate this cell, then what we can achieve? We can achieve 1, 2, 3, 12 cells vaccinated and 12 cells infected. So the better answer is given like if we place above. And similar case happens with left and right also. So what we need to actually do, like place it here or this side, that is the case we need to decide. So how can we decide that? So we need to calculate two values. One will be like top down, top down. That will be the maximum of n minus x, comma x minus 1. Okay, and left right, left right will be maximum of m minus by, comma this value by minus 1. And what we can do, like by the, we can multiply this value with the m and this value with the n. Why? Because left right we are calculating the columns and that will be multiplied by rows, and in the top down we will be calculating number of rows that will be multiplied by number of columns. So that will give your answer. We can choose the maximum one of these. So let's see the code. So you can see the code of this. Yeah. So like what you need to do, just take the input like this, and then you need to calculate top down. Top down will be maximum of n minus x, comma x minus 1, and left right that will be maximum of m minus y and y minus 1. Then you need to calculate the answer. Answer will be the maximum of top down cross m and left right cross n. Okay, and you can print your answer. And we need to take long as answer. Why? Because top down and multiply with it, it will be a large integer. That's why. Hope you understood the solution. Like this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you and keep coding.